wool to share. This is the Farm Friends version. All of the sheep characters have wool that they can share with their animal friends. The little lamb has some wool, but not too much. So he gives it to the pig. The pig oinks happily and runs off to make a nest for her babies.
The next sheep is a little bigger and has a little more wool.
He gives some to the cow, who uses it to make a soft bed for her calf. The biggest sheep of all has the thickest wool. He shares it with the horse so she can make a warm blanket for her foal. And they all live happily ever after.